Hello everyone. We are doing a tutorial today using our newest plaid wrap for fall. I love it. And the Voluminous shaper that we carry. We are going to start by putting the wrap on, going straight across in the front and even length tails. And we're gonna take it to the back and we're gonna crisscross. You can knot if you are comfortable knotting. I just like to crisscross and make sure the velvet from the shaper isn't showing. I'm going to fold each side into thirds so the edges don't show when I bring it up, but you don't have to. It's just what I like to do so it looks a little bit more clean. Bring it up, and then as you're bringing it up, you see how it's like sticking out here? You can fold this into itself, just fold it underneath, check the other side. This side looks fine. We're gonna bring it up, and then we're going to make a knot right on top, like so. Okay, I'm gonna take this a little bit back. Okay, after we have the knot up top, you can adjust it, bring it however forward or backwards that you like. I'm gonna keep it right here, and then we're going to you can take either side. I'm gonna work with my left side first. I'm going to open up the tail, and then just like, kind of tuck it into itself, like folding it underneath a couple times. And I love that the fabric of this wrap makes a beautiful, voluminous, textured look. And we have this tail right here. I'm gonna bring this forward a little bit. We have this one right here. I'm going to take this one right behind itself, all the way around, and then tuck it in. I love letting the fabric of the wrap determine the style of wrap that I do, because although you can get this piece to lay pretty flat, I love that it helps you to do these voluminous types of looks if you wanted to. And like it stays, it's not like so loose of a fabric where it just like falls. It holds its shape. I hope you enjoyed.